how to fix TikTok videos not showing to others. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that your account is public. For that, get to TikTok. And then from here, tap on your profile icon right here. Then tap on the menu bar right here. And then tap on settings and privacy. Then from here, tap on privacy. And just like this, make sure that private account is disabled just like this. So the another thing that you can do is clear your cache. For that, go back. And then from here, you'll have to scroll down until you see the option of free up space. Tap on it. And then in here, you can see this is the cache. And beside it, there is the clear option. Tap on clear. And then tap on clear one more time. And within few minutes, all of your cache of your TikTok will be cleared. So after doing that, the another thing that you can do is get to the particular video that is not being shown to others. Just like this one, here you can see this has no particular view, so I'm going to tap on it. And then from here, you can tap on the three dot bar right here. After doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of privacy settings. Tap on it. And from here, make sure that you have selected everyone just like this. And also make sure that allow comments and allow reuse of the content is turned on just like this. So the final thing that I can recommend you guys is while posting your TikTok videos, make sure that you are not using too much hashtag. So like if you are posting something about nature, make sure to use only hashtags related to natures. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.